In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to filter your results to display certain publication dates. To begin, you'd want to go to the published date here and set the time frames here. Say for example, I want to see an article that was published about 10 years ago. So I'll put this year, or this month, put in the year 2010, November, years 2020. Once that information has been entered, I want to go ahead into your search bar and let's look up information seeking behavior. Click search. Now you'll notice on the left hand side here that it shows the publication date only within 2010 to 2020 and nothing past 2010. It also shows here on the limiters that your published date is set.